Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to discuss about this main air compressor compound valve. As you can see, this is a compressor compound valve, main air compressor compound valve. The specialty is that we can have both suction and discharge side in one valve assembly. Okay, now this area, this upper area, upper area is sealed by the discharge manifold. Okay, so this entire valve sits in the cylinder head, but this particular area is sealed by the discharge manifold. So the discharge air, after coming out from this side, will goes to the discharge air line, and this is the suction area. So whatever air is going inside the cylinder will enter via this and will come out from this. Now I will tell you how it operates. Suppose the piston is now going from TDC to BDC. Okay. Now when the suction is created, the air from the filter will come here into this hole, and when the suction is created, this valve plate, you can see this is the valve plate, it sits over a valve seat, suction valve seat. You can see this is pressing down. So once it presses down, the air will come from this and goes into the cylinder. Okay. Now when the piston moves from BDC to TDC, you can see this area is sealed by the suction valve plate. Okay. Now the discharge air will goes into this hole. Now at top, suppose this is sealed by the discharge manifold. So in the discharge manifold there is pressure around 20 bar. Suppose there is pressure around 20 bar. So the main air compressor is compressing the air. So once the air inside the cylinder goes about 20 bar, this valve plate lifts up. You can see this is lifting up. This valve plate lifts up, and the air will come via this and goes into the discharge manifold. You can see that here is also a valve plate seated over a valve seat. Now I will show you how to open it and how to do the lapping, and we will later on carry out the leak test. This stage, the first stage, compound valve. We also have a HP stage compound valve, but that should be small. This is the first stage, LP stage compound valve. Now for opening, we have to first open the lock nut and open the second nut. And one by one, we will open all the components. This is the spring washer. This is the discharge side. This is the spring. This is the discharge valve plate. This is the discharge valve set. This is the suction valve seat. This is the suction valve plate. This is the washer. These are the spring which keep this plate placed on this seat. And this is the center board. So these are all the components you can see. I will tell you how to do the lapping. Now we will continue doing the lapping. First we will do the suction side. This is the LP stage suction side valve, and we want to do the lapping of this. This is the work plate. This is the lapping compound. We will put some oil. Here, we'll put all the springs. Now the lapping should be such that the work plate should also rotate. If the work plate is not rotating means that the lapping is not perfect. The work plate should also rotate. Then only we can get the perfect lapping. This should continue for at least 2 hours to get the perfect lapping of the work plate on its seat. After the lapping is done, we will take out this. We'll keep all the strings. We'll clean this area. Later on, we will be cleaning at last with diesel oil. Now I will show you how to do the discharge side lapping. So this is the discharge side work plate. So really you have to apply the lapping compound. Add some rubber. Put the one plate on top of this. The concept is that the work plate should also rotate. If it doesn't rotate, means your lapping will not be perfect. So once it rotates, it perfectly sits on its seat. Okay, start. Now this lapping also should continue for at least 2 hours for getting a perfect seating surface. You can see the work plate is also rotating. The work plate should also rotate, otherwise the lapping is not perfect. Now after lapping we will take out this. And we'll clean all the parts in a clean diesel oil. And pause. See, I have cleaned all the parts. The cleaning should be such that there should not be any grinding compound, bulk grinding compound in the hole or anywhere else. The cleaning should be good. And After cleaning, blow with compressed air. Now we will assemble all the parts one by one. So first we will try to assemble from the suction side. You can see the lapping area. Put the springs. Now we will assemble the discharge side. See the lapping area. We'll put a spring muscle. Now we will adjust the valve such that there will be no obstruction to the discharge side. See, the hole must be matching. Okay. The valve and we will put the lock nut. At last we will put a split pin over here. Now you can see this is the suction side and this is the discharge side. This clearance is very important to maintain. Because of this clearance, the split is operating. If you don't maintain this clearance, there will be very little passage for the air to come in or go out. So this clearance is very important to maintain. Okay. Now we will check the valve operation. You can see with the help of the screwdriver, I am pressing this valve plate. So it is coming down. For the discharge sides, you can see. Now we will carry out the leak test of both the suction and discharge side with the help of diesel oil. Diesel oil in each of this hole, and we will see that any diesel oil is leaking from downside or not. Now wait for some time and check any diesel oil is leaking from downside or not. You can see this plate is completely dry. There is no diesel oil leaking. Means that the lapping is done perfectly. Diesel oil should leak. Similarly, on the discharge side, we will carry out the leak test. We will wait for some time. And see, there is no diesel oil leaking on the discharge side. Means that the discharge side lapping is also good. See, it is completely dry. No diesel oil is leaking. So friends, you have seen how to open this valve, how to do the lapping, how to do the assemble, how to check the valve plate for its operation, and how to carry out the leak test. All the things are done perfectly. We can keep it as a spare to be fitted in the compressor when required or during the routine maintenance. Hope you have liked the video. Please like, share and comment on my video, and please subscribe to my channel.